In today's video, I'm going to show you the correct way to download your Figma slides as a PDF using the main file menu. This method is especially useful when you're working with Figma slides and want to export them as a proper presentation file, either as a PDF or even a PowerPoint, PPTX. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your Figma file and go to the page where your slides are. In Figma slides, each slide is usually a separate frame laid out in a sequence. Take a quick look at the order of your slides in the Layers panel to make sure they're rearranged the way you want them to appear in the final document. Now, you need to select the slides you want to export. You can do this by clicking the first slide frame, then holding Shift and clicking the last slide to select everything in between. Or, if your page only contains the slides you want, you can use Ctrl or CMD+A to select all frames at once. Once your slides are selected, we're going to use the top left Figma menu, not the right-hand export panel. Go to the very top left corner of the Figma window and click on the Figma menu icon. In the drop-down, hover over File and then click on Export. This is the dedicated export option specifically for selected frames or slides. As soon as you click Export, a dialog will appear giving you a choice of formats. Here you'll see options like Export as PPTX and Export as PDF. If you want a presentation file you can open in tools like PowerPoint or Google Slides, choose PPTX. Figma will turn each selected slide frame into a slide in a PowerPoint file. If you want a static document that's easy to share, email, or upload, choose Export as PDF. This will bundle all your selected slides into a single multi-page PDF, with each frame becoming its own page in the document. Select PDF, choose your location on your computer, and confirm the export. Figma will process the file and download it. When you open the PDF, you'll see each slide in the same order you selected them. If something doesn't look right, for example, a slide is missing or out of order, go back to Figma, reselect the correct frames, and repeat the same steps. Select Slides, top left menu, File, Export. Export as PDF or PPTX. That's all there is to it. By using the File, Export menu, you get a clean, reliable way to export your Figma slides as presentation-ready PDFs or PPTX files without messing around with per-frame exports.